That's the door now. That's Papa's bedroom. That be alright lagi? I know.
We just need one. Just maybe just along the wall, nothing comes out. Or if it does, not very far.
The window there, and the door there, on the side. Yeah, I can put the TV there, the sofa here.
Yeah.
One eternity later.
Hi guys! So they cut the trees here at the back. So this is the update of our house here in Malagos. So they already cut the other tree here, which is the mangosteen. This is the mangosteen. Oh my god, it's a big tree that they cut. So they cut the one tree, so the rope will be all the way. Be careful there, huh? Hold in the wall if you wanna. So this is the extension, the kitchen. This will be our living room here. So this is our main door. That's not your room.
Huh?
That's not your room. That's our bathroom only.
Yeah.
That's how big. And the closet. This is,
So you don't have far to go for the bathroom nor the kitchen.
yeah. Be careful ng mga wire, ha? Watch your head.
Yeah. Right here, is this big enough?
Yeah, it's big enough pa imong room. Kanira diri anto sa steel. Naraon. Dakuha sa akong kitchen, baby. Uy. Baby, look how big my kitchen. How big my kitchen. Huh? So this will be our bathroom. So this is the kitchen before. If you remember on my previous video. So this will be our closet.
Gigantic.
Gigantic closet. We need it. So we have space to put all the things we need. And this is our master bedroom. Here you go. They closed already the door and they tear it down. Be careful there, Papa. Huh? I don't know. There's one. And this is our room. See here, you need to. Oh, finish the wall. They're finishing na. They're finishing already. That's my window. Okay, nice na. See that the door. Okay, nice na bibi. Uy. Super nice. I love it. That's the way I like it. Hi. Hi guys! So we're here in our house, the renovation house here in Malagos. So we stopped by here so to deliver some items like the toilet bowl that we bought in Welcome in Panakan. So we drove all the way here with our new pickup truck. There's a truck. Yeah. This is the new update in our house. And they already have something new. So from the last time that we went here 2 weeks ago. So here, this is the kitchen extension. There you go. They start already the roof. And this will be my island here. And this is the ref, and then a pantry, the sink, and then where I'm cooking. And this is Papa's bedroom here. One bedroom for him over here. And then this is the common bathroom. They're gonna keep this one and just change the tiles, and I have a new toilet bowl there. And also, yeah, so this will be my kitchen. Here, this is the exit door going to the backyard. So this is my cooking here. This is where I'm cooked. This is the sink, and this is the refrigerator, and then the pantry. So they already closed here. This is the previous door going to the dirty kitchen, because usually this is the dirty kitchen before. So I tear it down every wall, because before this is the 3-bedroom here before. So as you can see here, this is the first bedroom, second bedroom, third bedroom. So very small. So small. So in here, will be our bedroom. Big bedroom, master bedroom. And this is the door. Yeah, this is the door. And this will be our living room. That's the main door. This is all our living room here. And I guess I put a small one here, like a small dining table, or maybe over there in the middle. Just a small, just 3 of us, my father, me and my husband. So let's see after they are done here. So they have a window here before. We close it because it's very small. So we just give the previous door window here, 1 and 2, and then yeah, that's pretty like. And this is my favorite part. So will be our closet. So we have a door here to install. I'm sorry for the noise because we're not far from the main road in Malagos. So this will be my closet. So this is our closet, and this is going to our bathroom. So this is the bathroom, so all the way up. So we're planning to put all the tiles all the way up. So this is their kitchen. This is the kitchen before, the one that I show you. I just put a clip on the photo there in the video. So this will be our shower. My husband like big shower. This is the toilet bowl, maybe something there, and then this will be the sink. So yeah, that's pretty good. And tomorrow he said that they're gonna start doing a what do you call this, ceiling. I already choose the ceiling, PVC ceiling color. So as you can see, we're still using a wood because we just want to keep it right now like this, since the roof is still okay. So I don't want to spend more money, because we still have planned to fence this whole property. So I don't want to be out of budget. So yeah, so we own this property here all the way there, here all the way there, and then all the way there on the side. So I just bought this land, so we still have parking space here for our pickup truck. So yeah, and then over here, let's go here. We cannot go there, so we just go here at the. So will be our patio. Here, over here. So that will be our patio. So yeah, like that. I'm gonna close that one. And that's the main door here. There's a window in the master bedroom. And here, there's something here. It's so messy, you know. And right over here, it's going, yeah, there at the back. So I still have space here to do my gardening. So we're planning to make a garden here in the future. Not right now, because as you can see, oh my god, you got a lot of things to do and do priority. Oh, they transfer here the breaker. Yeah,
Maybe
temporary, because they take it out from this wall, so they transfer here.
You need to tell him if he needs a bigger power box, they need to get it.
Yeah. So that's it for the new update here in our house. Still not totally, a lot of things to do,
Big
but
mess.
yeah, big mess.
Right now,
Yeah,
you're remodeling
the whole house. Yeah, as in literally, we changed the style, the floor plan, you know. So yeah, at least they got a progress for the 2 weeks that we've been here last time. And a lot, yeah, a lot, right, baby?
It's really fast.
Yeah, especially the roof there on the kitchen.
Maybe we'll if anybody lives in Davao, maybe we'll ask the engineer contractor if to give his name, his information.
Yeah, they're
So
really nice. They're
really-
very
they're
nice.
really fast.
This is very stress-free.
Yeah,
Very
that's
stress-free, you know.
the one we're not living here.
Yeah, we're not here, so. But he give us update all the time what's happening. So, yeah, and it's really good. They're doing a really good job.
Even though it doesn't look like it right now, but they're doing
Yeah.
a really good job.
Because we know when we started this, it's
I mean, yeah,
It's
not-
big.
Hasn't even been a month yet, has it?
yeah, no, it's not been a month.
Month,
Yeah,
month.
October a month. But they already done a lot, because they said that they're gonna be finished this within 2 months range. So let's see.
I guess they're gonna pour concrete there.
Yeah, they will pour concrete there to level it. Yeah, because they're gonna put new tiles, so they don't need to.
Put new tile.
So
Do we
yeah.
gotta pick that tile out too?
They already sent me something, but
I like
Like
kinda like that wood grain.
yeah, that wood.
type,
That's
yeah,
what they
wood grain
give
type.
it to me. And yeah, I'm happy. I'm so happy with the kitchen. Look like pretty big. We're trying to save the old, but look like not. It's not gonna, because it's not really good. So we're gonna change this one.
Well, you got the issue here.
No,
There
yeah.
was a wall here.
Mm-hmm.
So you got that issue. And then
Yeah.
I don't know. I guess there's tile underneath this board.
Yeah. No, probably not. I don't know. And this one very big, because this one is the same from concrete. This is the concrete wall. This one is not.
Yeah.
And then the other one is concrete
Another
wall
one
again.
Here, I think,
Yeah.
somewhere. Right there.
Oh.
Yeah. Here's the concrete wall.
Yeah. Yeah. There's the other concrete wall.
So.
Yeah, they done pretty good, a lot. Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, this. Well, last time we were here, it was only right about here.
Yeah. That's it.
Right here.
Yeah, right there.
All the rest is concrete.
Concrete already. Yeah. And then the ceiling, they already have.
Steel beam.
Yeah, steel beam. And then the big pole. Look at the pole there. 3 big pole. So yeah, pretty good. So we still own that land all the way there on the side, guys.
All the way to.
Yeah. So I
You
guess.
can see the fence, but you can see the tree. That far tree over there. That's right at our
Yeah.
line. And it's probably gonna have to be cut down too.
Mm,
That and our one and only cacao tree.
cacao, yeah.
We got a cacao tree.
One
but
cacao.
Right on the border.
And then they cut off the big one, the big tree.
Yeah, that's all laying out there.
Yeah.
I don't know how they cut it. With an axe, I guess.
Probably axe.
We need to leave as much of this grass.
So they
as
just
possible.
keep that one now for a while there because that's their
Oh,
they
yeah.
cook. There, that's where they cook. Because one person live here, so
Yeah.
they
Well, I mean,
stay in the
as far as I'm
bathroom.
concerned, they can possibly just put it out there somewhere.
Oh my God! Look at the mess here at the back.
Yeah, that tree.
Yeah.
I don't want the really. I don't really. Well, I don't want the small part of the limb, but like next to the tree where the limb is still. I want to keep that. Or I'll probably just be happy with it.
They just connect the
Oh my gosh! Surely not. Surely they didn't cut that tree down with that little bitty axe.
maybe not.
Wow.
Meanwhile.